Hello, today is Thursday, December 28th, 2023. Jeff Bezos' conversation with Lex Fridman encompasses a diverse range of topics, shedding light on Bezos' childhood experiences, his vision for humanity in space, Blue Origin's space infrastructure projects, decision-making and risk management in space ventures, and his perspectives on technology, customer obsession, and mortality. So let's get started. Overview. The key insights from Jeff Bezos' conversation with Lex Fridman encompass a diverse range of topics, shedding light on Bezos' childhood experiences, his vision for humanity in space, Blue Origin space infrastructure projects, decision-making and risk management in space ventures, and his perspectives on technology, customer obsession, and mortality. Bezos shares personal anecdotes, reflects on the emotional impact of space exploration, and emphasizes the significance of reusability, cost reduction, and long-term thinking in the space industry. His discussions also touch on dispute resolution mechanisms, competition and collaboration in the space industry, and the influence of AI on humanity. Bezos' insights provide a comprehensive view of his multifaceted approach to space exploration, technology, and leadership, showcasing his passion for innovation and long-term impact. In light of evidence checked, we can infer the profound influence of his formative experiences on his entrepreneurial journey and the far-reaching implications of his vision for humanity's future in space. Key insights: Jeff Bezos' childhood on a ranch. Jeff Bezos recounts the profound influence his grandfather had on him during his time on a ranch, where he learned invaluable life lessons. This period was instrumental in shaping his problem-solving skills, teaching him the virtues of self-reliance and persistence. The emotional connection with his grandfather and the experiences from these formative years significantly molded his life perspective. Inspiration from space exploration. Bezos is deeply inspired by the historic achievements of the space race and the Apollo program. He speaks with admiration about the technical feats of space exploration and its power to inspire generations. Bezos also acknowledges the risks and challenges that early astronauts faced, underlining the defining moments in space history and their implications for the future of humanity. Vision for humanity in space. With a bold vision of 1 trillion humans living across the solar system, Bezos imagines a future where space colonies offer abundant resources and a sustainable living environment. He discusses the concept of giant space stations and the benefits they could provide compared to planetary surfaces. Bezos also proposes moving heavy industry into space to preserve Earth's environment. Blue Origin space infrastructure projects. Bezos delves into the specifics of Blue Origin space infrastructure projects, particularly the Blue Ring spacecraft. He outlines its role in payload services and its advanced propulsion systems. Bezos presents Blue Ring as a pivotal tool for maneuvering payloads in Earth's orbit and beyond, illustrating its significance in the broader context of space exploration. Transition from physics to computer science. Reflecting on his academic journey, Bezos shares his initial passion for physics and the honest realization of his limitations in the field. This introspection led him to pivot to computer science, a decision that played a crucial role in his subsequent success as an entrepreneur. New Glenn rocket and technical aspects. Bezos offers a detailed look at the New Glenn rocket, a heavy-lift launch vehicle designed for efficiency and performance. He explains the rocket's technical specifications, including its propulsion and fuel systems, and the complexities of building launch infrastructure, such as launch pads in coastal areas, materials and manufacturing processes for rocket construction. The conversation touches on the advanced materials like carbon composites and aluminum lithium, and manufacturing techniques like friction stir welding, used in rocket construction. These innovations contribute to the efficiency and reusability of rocket components, which Bezos sees as critical to the success of space missions. Reusability and cost reduction in space industry. Bezos discusses the pivotal role of reusability and cost reduction in the space industry, drawing parallels to transformative historical inventions. He highlights Blue Origin's mission to lower the cost of space access, which he believes will usher in a new era of space exploration and commercial activity. Decision-making and risk management in space ventures. Bezos emphasizes the importance of swift and bold decision-making in space ventures. He introduces the disagree and commit philosophy, which fosters progress even when there's disagreement. The distinction between one-way and two-way door decisions is also explored, advocating for careful consideration in irreversible decisions and encouraging autonomy in reversible ones. Personal experience and emotional impact of space exploration. Sharing personal experiences, Bezos describes the emotional impact of space travel, including the overview effect, which underscores the fragility and importance of Earth. He conveys the transformative perspective gained from space exploration and its ability to foster a sense of connection and stewardship for our planet. Dispute resolution mechanisms. Bezos critiques traditional dispute resolution mechanisms like compromise, which often lead to suboptimal outcomes. He favors high-velocity decision-making that strives for truth and decisiveness, which he believes should be ingrained in company culture to maintain progress. Blue Origin's Lunar Program. Bezos outlines Blue Origin's lunar program, including the development of a lander capable of taking cargo to the moon's surface. He discusses the challenges and innovations involved, such as using hydrogen as a propellant and developing solar-powered cryocoolers, as well as the design of a reusable lunar lander to make missions more sustainable. Jeff Bezos's potential space missions. Acknowledging the risks and training requirements for space missions, Bezos casts doubt on his personal participation in lunar or Martian expeditions. He envisions these endeavors being conducted by professional astronauts and potentially aided by automation. Competition and collaboration in space industry. Discussing the relationship between Blue Origin and SpaceX, Bezos sees space as a domain with room for multiple successful entities. He advocates for a healthy mix of competition and collaboration, wishing success for both his and other companies in the industry. Day 1. Thinking and customer obsession. Bezos delves into Day 1 thinking, which emphasizes continual renewal and customer-centric decision-making. He underscores the importance of addressing both major and minor customer experience issues and fostering a culture that encourages truth-telling to improve customer service. Frictionless experience and cognitive load. Bezos stresses the value of creating seamless customer experiences to reduce cognitive load and enhance satisfaction. He uses the example of Amazon's one-click shopping to illustrate the benefits of such innovations and the team effort required to achieve them. Impact of technology on attention span. Expressing concern over the diminishing attention spans due to technology, Bezos advocates for engaging in activities that require longer attention, such as reading books and listening to long-format content like podcasts. He warns of the potential consequences of an over-reliance on short-form content, influence of AI on humanity. Bezos shares an optimistic view on the potential of AI to benefit humanity, particularly in preventing self-destruction and advancing fields like medicine. While acknowledging the debates on AI's risks, he remains hopeful about its positive contributions. Long-term thinking and the 10,000-year clock. Bezos introduces the 10,000-year clock project as a symbol for long-term thinking, designed to inspire a shift in human perspective towards the future. He contemplates the potential evolution of human civilization over such a long span, touching on the importance of extending our health span. 6-page memo and meeting dynamics. Explaining Amazon's unique meeting culture, Bezos highlights the use of 6-page memos and silent reading sessions to ensure productive discussions. He values well-written documents and dynamic meetings, where the memo author is open to scrutiny and feedback. Personal perspective on mortality. Bezos reflects on his changing views on mortality, moving from fear to acceptance as he ages. He discusses the impact of this shift on his focus on health and his curiosity about the future outcomes for his family and the world. Keywords from the interview includes friction stir welding. Friction stir welding is an advanced solid-state joining process used in the construction of rocket components. It creates high-strength, high-quality joints with excellent mechanical properties. Cognitive load. Cognitive load refers to the mental effort required for a person to process and understand information. Reducing cognitive load can lead to a more seamless and satisfying customer experience. 10,000-year clock. The 10,000-year clock is a long-term thinking project initiated by Jeff Bezos, designed to inspire a shift in human perspective towards the future. It symbolizes the importance of thinking beyond immediate concerns and considering the long-term impact of our actions.